Alright, you guys, so let's get ready for this baby shower. So I'm taking this color and putting it underneath my eyebrows. And FYI, the palette that I'm using is the Morphe 39A palette. I'll be sure to have everything in the description box just in case I forgot to mention anything. But I'm taking this beige color and I'm going to sweep this underneath my eyebrows. Now moving on, I'm going to be taking a light transition brown color and I'm going to sweep this right underneath the highlight color. So I'm bringing it right into my crease, and this is just going to help blend out any other colors that I put into my crease, as you guys will see a little later on. So I forgot to show the eyeshadow that I use, but I'm still using the same palette, and it's that really beautiful burgundy color that's in the 39A palette. But this is just a burgundy matte color, and I wanted to have a little bit something vibrant in my crease, so I put this color right in my crease. And it's okay if you like overlook the first transition color. This was just basically there to help blend out everything. So now moving on, I'm going to be taking a black eyeshadow and I want to deepen and make it a little bit more smoky. So I'm going to focus this mainly in the outer part, but I'm not going to go as high as I did with the burgundy shade. So the whole concept is basically to have this black underneath the burgundy. So you guys see me cut the crease off, so I didn't feel the need to explain. Moving on, I'm taking this NYX Pearl pigment, and it's a beautiful, very beautiful pearly pink color. If you don't want to do the glitter for this look, if you have to try this look out, you can basically rock this look with this beautiful pigment by itself. It's very pretty. I didn't expect for it to be that pretty. It was actually my first time trying it, and I have to say I love it. But I had to go for some glitter for this look. So I'm taking my favorite glitter primer by NYX. So I'm basically going to pat this all over the eyelid. And now I'm taking this beautiful glitter from, I believe I got this from Icing a long time ago. But it's a beautiful chunky pink glitter. And I'm just putting that all over the actual eyelid where the placement of the pink is at. And then I'm going in with another loose pink glitter. This one has a little bit more of a thinner glitter, as I can say, compared to the chunkier. So just mixing them two together made it more even blinkier. Like, I just love mixing different shapes. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to my face. I want to quickly show you guys the stuff that I use. I use these two primers to basically smooth out my face. I like my Smashbox because it does get me photo finish like popping. And then I love my Rimmel because it does minimize my pores to the T. Like, I don't see my pores at all. And I purchased and found my favorite foundation, you guys. It was gone. It was empty for a minute, but she is back. This is my favorite foundation, so I'm going to be putting this all over my face. You heard me guys talk about this foundation like all year long about this foundation. Like, if you guys have not tried the Smashbox, please go ahead and get your hands, find your shade, get your hands on this. This is my second time purchasing this. This is like my all-time favorite foundation. If you have oily skin or you shine throughout the day, you know, you have to keep touching up your makeup, this foundation will save you all of those steps. It keeps you matte all day long. Moving on, going to be taking my favorite MAC Pro concealer. This is also the same concealer that I use to cut my crease. I'm just going to lightly highlight with this. I kind of put a little bit too much on. I was a little too excited for this baby shower, but that's okay. I did quickly blend it out and everything. And you do have to move fast with this concealer because it does dry very quickly. But like I said, it is very easy to blend it as well. So I'm going to continue to do so and blend it out. So usually I set my concealer with like a setting powder. But today I decided to skip that part and I just went straight with my face powder to set the whole entire face. And I think I'm starting to like the end result of it because it still gave my face that highlight look that I wanted in those places areas, but it still made everything look completely like sealed in one piece of flawless. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, but I love the outcome that it did. And then I'm contouring these pregnant cheeks of mine. And the color I believe I'm using my BH Cosmetic palette. It's my Ray Ray palette, and I'm using my favorite Brownie Bite in that palette, and I'm contouring the cheeks and the nose to make myself look a little bit slimmer than what what I really am, Gotta hide that pregnancy face, So now moving on, I am grabbing a gold color from the actual palette as well. Don't know the name right on top of my head, but I'm using the exact same palette. So I'm going to highlight those cheeks of mine. And then I'm also going to go down the bridge of my nose and then the tip of my nose as well. And any other areas that I feel like I needed to highlight and make it pop even more. And as for my blush, I believe I went with my Red Vino blush or either the blush from my Juvia palette. My gut is saying my Juvia palette because I use it a lot. So I'll be sure to have that correct information down at the bottom. And now I'm setting my face with my Morphe setting spray. This is a setting spray that's been growing on me. I have to say I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, honey. Yes. Moving on to my lips, I decided to go with a pinky nude lip. I didn't want it to be like a nude brown. I wanted like a soft pink color to the lips. So that is what I am doing. And then I'm going to add a little bit of some gloss because I feel like the gloss just went perfect for this look. And then for my lower lash line, I went with this first brown that I used in the palette. I put that underneath my lower lash line. And then I forgot to show you guys this part, but I popped the same pigment, pearl pigment that I used, popped it in my inner tear duct without the glitter just to make that pop even more. But this is basically the complete and final look. If you guys want to see a little glimpse of my baby shower, it is on my vlog channel. So be sure you guys check that out. The link is down at the bottom. But anywho, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. This will be the last video for 2018. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye.